Welcome back to another LEGO video here in It's Just Bricks. Today we have the top 10 biggest LEGO sets by part count ever. In number 10 we have the Statue of Liberty. It's set number 3450. It originally retailed for $200 and has 2,882 pieces. In number 9, we have the Imperial Star Destroyer. It's set number 10030. When it came out, it retailed for $270 and has 3,096 pieces. In number 8, we have the Super Star Destroyer. It's set number 10221. It retailed for $400 when it came out and has 3,152 pieces. In number 7, we have the Grand Carousel. It's set number 10196. It retailed for $250 when it came out and has 3,263 pieces. In number 6, we have the Eiffel Tower. It's set number 10181. It retailed for $200 when it came out and has 3,428 pieces. In number 5, we have the Death Star 2. It's set number 10143. It retailed for $270 when it came out and has 3,441 pieces. In number 4, we have the Death Star. It is set number 10188. It retailed for $400 when it came out and still does on LEGO.com as of the time of this filming, and has 3,803 pieces. In number 3, we have the Tower Bridge. It's set number 10214. It retailed for $240 when it was released, and it has 4,286 pieces. In number 2, we have the UCS Millennium Falcon. It is set number 10179. It retailed for $500 when it came out and had 5,195 pieces. And in number 1, we have the Taj Mahal. It's set number 10189, retailed for only $300 and 5,922 pieces.